Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename a legend in an Excel chart in two different ways. Let's get started. To rename a legend in a chart, you can simply rewrite the data stored in the table that was used to create the graph. This graph shows sales, so if I rewrite the text sales in C2 and type in weekly sales instead, the legend will update automatically. Weekly sales now appears in the table and in the chart legend too. However, if this seems a little inconvenient, there's another way to do it. Let's undo the changes and revert weekly sales back to sales. And then let's explore the second method for renaming the legend in the chart. This way is particularly useful if you need to change the legend name to weekly sales, but keep the text sales in the table header. Essentially, you change the information in the chart without altering it in the table. To do this, click on the chart. Then find the Chart Design tab and select the Select Data option. A pop-up window will appear where you can easily edit the information related to the legend. Here, focus on the left-hand side of the window and click on Sales. Then on Edit. Another pop-up window will appear, and you can see that the series name, which is the legend name, corresponds to what we've got stored in cell C2. But if needed, we can change this value to anything else. Type weekly sales directly into the field. Click on OK, and then OK again. That's it. So in the table, cell C2 states sales, but the legend reads weekly sales just as we wanted. To learn more about inserting or editing various chart elements, check out our other video tutorials. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.